I was working at a manufacturing home plant here in town. I was working with a radial arm saw where you hit a button on the floor and it activates the saw to come out. I reached down, didn't realize somebody had moved the pedal over in front of the saw. When I reached down for it, my foot hit the pedal and my hand was gone. So they life-flighted me to Norfolk, and 13 hours later I got my hand back on. Faith Regional, Dr. Harsel, a deep place in my heart. Very awesome place. They're always right there. Saved my hand, saved my life. I chose to stay at Faith Regional for my therapy because they knew what they were doing. They worked with me from day one. Therapy team is just tremendous at what they do. If you have any kind of hand problems, surgery, whatever, go see the team at Faith Regional. When I needed major hand surgery, I had faith.